Oh, I got my nose chain from Amazon.
Bonjour Mon Petites, it is I, the fabulous Trice, back with a new video, and in today's video, we are keeping it short and sweet and simple. We're going to be doing a headscarf, head wrap, tie, turban, whatever you want to call it. Usually I do these videos in like a compound format where I do like more than one style in the video, but I wanted to do this one by itself, simple, in real time, because every time I post a photo on Instagram with a scarf, with a wrap, with a turban, or something of the sort, you guys ask me for a tutorial for it. And I have many different ways that I know how to tie a wrap, but I wanted to show you guys how easy it is. So this video is going to be in real time, not chopped, not screwed, not sped up, no editing, no nothing. The tutorial portion of the video is going to be in real ass time. So if you want to see how easy this is, and then I'm really not exaggerating at all, then keep on watching and I'll catch you on the other side. Okay, so here we are with our color purple plaits, braids, whatever. These are actually just twists. There are about 8 of them, and I put them in like a little pony bun thing, and I have it like smushed to my head. I told y'all I don't be doing my hair, y'all. I don't do my hair. So most of the time I have on a wrap, turban, scarf, whatever you want to call it. And today's scarf, I'm doing this video by itself because it's this simple. Like, this tutorial is going to be over in like 60 seconds, and that's why we're going to do it in real time. So the scarf is about, let's say 14 to 16 inches wide. It's not the normal like big wide scarf. It's about 16 inches wide, this scarf, I believe, and it is about 1.5 yards long, maybe 2 yards. It's about 2 yards long. I'm sorry, about 2 yards long. All right. And it's that stretchy material. It's not necessarily spandex, but it's not like regular cotton, I guess. So you're going to put it over the back of your head, and I'm going to crisscross it over the front. And I like the white part to show because it kind of just breaks up the pattern a bit, makes it a little bit less monotonous. So now I'm going to cross these two over each other, and then I'm going to cross them again in the back and find somewhere to tuck them. I think I'm going to roll that. And any frayed pieces or pieces you don't like or whatever, just tuck them away. And that's it. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of another tutorial with Trice, and I told you it was that easy. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give me a big old thumbs up, log out of your YouTube account, thumbs it up again, and then log back in and make sure you are subscribed to this channel. I don't know where the button is, but wherever you see that button, make sure you click on that joint. If you're already one of Mon Petites, make sure that you hit the notification bell next to it so that you know when I drop these videos, which will be every Tuesday and Thursday as you guys have requested. I asked, you guys gave me the feedback. You wanted Tuesdays and Thursdays, so that's what we're going to do. I'm trying to do 3 o'clock. I think 3 o'clock is a nice little sweet spot. We'll see. We'll work on the time, but the days are Tuesday and Thursday. That's it. So this week's chat with Trice Mon Petites, it's a good one, guys. I am finally going to drop this boyfriend tag. So get your questions in. I may just do the traditional boyfriend tag questions. I'm not sure. I'm going to do a poll on Instagram as well and see how that goes. But if I do use your question, it is going to pop up in the video and you will get your credit, sister or brother. I don't know who is asking me these questions, but yeah. So drop those boyfriend tag questions below because the video is coming soon. Sooner than soon. Yeah. Okay, now that's all there is to say, and there is no more. Except, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, love you, love you, and I will catch you in the next video. Mwah! Bye.